You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at another very lucrative aspect of business that if you step in, you're going to make good profit. 99% of persons in Nigeria have been disappointed by tailors in one way or the other. This is a very big problem, and the solution to this problem is the business idea that we are going to discuss in this video. Stick to the end and you will not regret it. But before we continue, please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment on how you see this business idea, whether you are going to step in. Do you love the business? Do you love our presentation? Do you love our channel? Just drop a comment for us. That means a lot to us. So having said that, let's go straight to the video. Now, if you look very well in Nigeria, you find out that sewing one cloth or the other from the hands of tailors is very hard. You know, they will tell you that you come on Friday to pick your cloth. When you get there, it has not been done. It's dumped somewhere, and they are busy doing another one because the workload is too much. The workload is something else. The demand is high, so they are unable to deliver. Now, imagine if you know a place that you can just take your clothes down to that place and wait for 3 hours, and everything is ready. They are done with sewing it, designing it the way, whichever way you want it, and deliver it to you instantly. That means you just wait and collect your cloth completed. Will you still go back to the old tailor that used to promise and fail? The answer is no. So this business idea, if you're a designer, even if you are not a designer, you can actually employ the tailors, the designers, to do this work, and you be there as a manager and you make your millions because it's a multi-million business idea. First of all, you're going to need not less than 5 sewing machines, not less than 5. It should be from 5 to 10 to 15, arranged in one column. And then you also need at least one weaving machine that will put all those design and weavings that you may need. So that one weaving machine is there. You will also need tables for cutting and also ironing. Now, one thing you should know is that in this type of business, you will employ people. You will employ a lot of persons, and at least not less than 15 persons. Now, this is how it works. Those are 10 sewing machines. Tailors will be there to sew, and whoever that come with any cloth, there is somebody who is an expert to measure. The person will measure, and there are 3 to 4 persons that are ready to cut. Those persons will cut. The one that will weave is ever ready to weave. At least 1 or 2 machines are there to weave. So as they are weaving, there are those other tailors, 10 to 15 tailors are ready. They are expert in coupling. Once you show them the style, and those that are to cut have cut everything, they are already weaved. And then those that are to couple, one will be coupling the trouser, one will be coupling the suit, and before you know it, within 5 to 6 hours, if it is suit, if it is just akra, design, within 2 hours, 3 hours, it is done. So you can actually place your business to be 24 hours delivery. So you assure the people that 24 hours the work is done, and they know that if I take my cloth to that place, the next day I'm going to pick it and it will be well sold. Do you think that you will lack customers? So you arrange your work like in this pattern. The sewers are ready, the cutters are ready, those that are to iron, at least 3 persons are standing to iron. Now those that are to cut, those that are to weave, the weavers are there. Then those that are to measure are also there, because most times the workload will be much. There will be a lot of persons coming in because they know that if you go there, you will not be disappointed. So the key to the success of this business is faithfulness, never to disappoint any customer. If you need our attention, if you need our advice, further advice, if you need a business plan on this business, you call the number displayed on your screen and we will respond to you within 24 hours. In Nigeria, during campaigns, they make use of a lot of designs and clothes. Also burials. Look at weddings for shebis and all those people. Look at some parties. You see how they put on clothes. So if you target events and connect these contracts, people will come. Advertise online. Let them know that 24 hours you have delivered. You are going to work day and night. 24 hours you will run away from work because the workload will be more. The demand is high. I tell you, I have seen it happen, and I'm telling you that this business is lucrative, and you are going to charge high because it's fast. It's very fast. So for you to deliver fast, it means the customer will also pay high amount. So this is one lucrative business. Don't look at it as tailoring, minor maybe with one machine. It has gone beyond that. You can, when you advance, you buy more designers machines, and your business will flourish. You win contracts upon contracts upon contracts for events and parties and all kind of things that you are going to do and make money. Thank you for watching. If you consider this business interesting, subscribe to our channel for more awesome business ideas. Click on that notification bell. Also drop a comment, like this video so that it will go viral for others to also benefit. If you need our attention, if you need our advice, further advice, if you need a business plan on this business, you call the number displayed on your screen and we will respond to you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.